show you what you're waking up to. It is definitely drier outside than it was yesterday. There are just a couple of showers, but they're affecting Osage County and then to the west areas around I-35 and then farther outside of the viewing area near Enid. So here in Tulsa, it is dry. It is quiet. Those temperatures are coming in the 60s right now. Actually, it's about 67. Winds are in from the south. They're light at 3 miles an hour. And again, we're looking at mostly clear conditions this morning. Now we have cooler conditions to our north and to our northwest. Remember that front that moved through yesterday? It stalled just to the south of us. That's what's bringing cooler temps up to the northwest. But then on the other side of the boundary, again, we were talking about this yesterday, we have some warmer conditions. So those temps are up in the low 70s and dew points are a bit higher down to the south and southeast as well. Now this front is going to scoot back to the north, and today we're looking for a warm day overall. Everyone's going to be seeing temperatures above average this afternoon. Wind speeds will stay from the south today at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and we are looking for a dry day. Showers will take place well to our north and to our northwest. We may be seeing some storms, but they're going to stay out of the metro area and out of green country. Really, we aren't expecting to see any rainfall today. Just, again, kind of mix of sun and clouds across the area. So as far as the storm outlook, again, nice and quiet for green country. It's going to be to the north and to the northwest where we may be seeing some of those storms. Highs will be back up well above average. Your average high is 77, and we're going to get up to about 89 this afternoon in Tulsa. So almost at that 90-degree mark for Tulsa, Pryor, 88 for Grove and Muskogee. Then overnight, we continue to stay dry with some increasing clouds as our temperatures drop down into the 60s and 70s for the start of Saturday, but then they won't change a whole lot for Saturday. Saturday will be cooler as we're going to be seeing that front move back through. An increased chance for showers. These showers will start to dip down through the area by midday through the afternoon. You'll see showers moving across mainly the north and northwestern portions of green country. You may see a few of those showers down to the south, but for Saturday, that's where most of our activity will be. You may hear a few rumbles of thunder, but really I think it's mainly going to be a rain event for us as those showers move on through, and temperatures tomorrow stay in the 70s. For today, though, it is going to be a warm one. If you plan on heading out to the gathering place, if you're going out to the fair, make sure you dress in lighter clothes as these temperatures are going to be getting up into the upper 80s to almost 90 today. For tomorrow, though, that's where the temps start to drop back off. We're going to be in the upper 70s for Saturday, Sunday with showers across the area. Chance for rain will continue for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as those temperatures just kind of teeter there in the upper 70s, and then that system will finally move out of here. And by Thursday of next week, it's looking nice. We're going to see highs in the low 70s with mostly sunny skies.